Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm out here at the park today just because I wanted to set my trail cam again, which I found a tree, but it'll be its own video. It was just not working for me. So I wanted to come out with, I wanted to do another Trangia Set Kit. This time I went with a bigger bag, and I'll go over the reasons why and my logic behind it. So we'll get the camera turned down so you can see the bag, and we'll get right to it. Okay, so this is a UTG backpack. I don't know if they still make them. I did see bags of this style on the same Coleman site, which I'll link below. I'll try to link the bag itself. I don't have one, but it looks similar to this one. And I went with a bigger bag for a couple reasons. One is I have more room to work with, and I can also carry more. And I'm going to start pulling everything out of here because I'm going to make a hot drink here in a bit. But you know, I got this little side pouch, which I have a Guyot bottle of water. You know, so I actually am able to carry water now. The other side is a butane bottle, which fits in there nicely. And also on this front, there's a sleeve behind this pocket, and I have a little folding saw. And mainly the reason for the folding saw is because I've also included a twig stove. As on a comment someone made, I should add a twig stove to this kit to round it out more, and I like the idea. So okay, so everything is back in, and we'll open up the front here. You might also notice there's a lot of MOLLE on this bag, so I have lots of attachment point options. And I got my lunch. It's another stir fry. This one is teriyaki beef. I'm actually really impressed with these. They're actually quite delicious. Let's see if I can get the camera zoomed in on this front pouch. If it will stay standing up. Okay. Let's see if I can open this up enough so you can see. So first of all, I've got my hot chocolate mix in my cup, so I had plenty of room for those, and I just stuck them right here in the front. Now I've got my pot holders. I just put one on each side. There's an elastic strip here, and then I've got my Uko switch, my knife, and oh, it popped out, my spatula, which I just stuck on the front here as well. And then I threw in a Mora Classic, because, you know, it never hurts to have a knife. Got a sail needle on the back of it, a little bit of tape. I just, you know, slid that in behind. And that's really it for this. I got a little bit more space, but I don't really need much more space. But more importantly, I have room for my cup and my hot chocolate. One thing I don't like about this bag is that because the bag material is so stiff, sometimes zipping these up can be a real, you know, you gotta kind of swear at it sometimes, but on the plus side, that means it's not gonna come open so easy either. Okay. Oh, my back, leaning forward, not good for the old folks. Alright, tilt the camera up, so we get this top pocket here now. I've also got a, this is a Altoids tin holder, which is a Hidden Wisdom patch because I love Hidden Wisdom products. But I could build an Altoids fire kit in here, or whatever I also wanted. Maybe a fishing kit, whatever that fits. I got the trivet in here. No, this is the windscreen. Excuse me. I actually made a fire kit for this kit. So I got two can openers, P38, P51. And it's just 2 lighters, ferrocerium rod, some matches, and what else is in here? thought there was something else in here too, but maybe not. So just a Armageddon, fireseal.com, and 2 lighters, because 2 is 1, 1 is none. So I have some fire making, some matches, and because it's not very heavy and it's super light, it's got a lot of room to grow, so I can always add to it or take stuff away as I see fit. I think that's it for this. I'm trying to remember where I put the trivet at. I guess I didn't leave it in there. Alright, let's open up the main body. So the main pack. I kind of wish it had a longer draw so you could open it up wider, but you know, it is what it is. So right on top here, I have a mesh pocket. What did I pop in here? Oh, I just got the Dawn dish soap in a Ziploc bag in case it opened or leaked. The bag would catch it and hopefully I wouldn't have soap everywhere. I was debating what to put in here. I just went with that. Although technically this could be my fire kit. I have a spare water. And then I've got the Trangia Set, which just slides down in the bottom. And then and by the way, this pack is hydration capable. And then down in the hydration pack, I got the 1 Tigris stove. So that, now you could say, well, hey Mark, you know, that just adds extra weight, extra weight to your pack. Well, no big deal. Because all I have to do is unzip the bag and take it out. Simple. Problem solved. The most simple solution is the best solution. And I think that's it. So not very much stuff in here. You know, I kept it real simple. Didn't have to get overly complicated with it. You know, I can always add to and take away because I have room to do so. And yeah, so there you go. It doesn't have to be this bag, it could really be any bag. I was thinking along the lines of, if I wanted to go out on a trip like this where I'm just out in the park, but I'm way out in the, you know, off trail, you know, where no one else is except for the critters and the slashers and the murderers and the Jason Voorhees and all them. You know, I'm out here, you know, mostly by myself. So, you know, I didn't want to just carry the pack. I could bring, you know, more gear. I have more options. Plus, I have room for food now too. Like, you know, the cup of noodle never would have fit in the respirator bag. I do love it. I mean, don't get me wrong. I do love it, but it just wasn't. You know, for going to the car to the picnic table, perfect, great. Keeps everything contained, all in one place. Love that. As far as anything else, you know, bringing it out in the woods here, I have no other room for anything, not even water bottles. So all right. I guess that will be it. Let me know what you think in the comments. As always, I appreciate you watching. I do. And I will catch you in the next one. So have a good one.